O Captain, my Captain. Appreciation of the poem.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming.
Students Educational Channel.
Profanities. I see the world through ice cover.
Presented by Dr.BNDeshmukh.
Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends, subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all new videos.
Standard 10. My English Course Book. 4.3 O Captain, my Captain. Poet, Walt Whitman. O Captain, my Captain. Our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rack. The prize we sought is won. The port is near. The bells I hear. The people all exulting, while follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my Captain lies, fallen cold and dead. O Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bells, rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills, for you bouquets and ribbondy wreaths, for you the shores a crowding, for you they call, the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Here Captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dream that on the deck, you've fallen cold and dead. My Captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still, my father does not feel my arm, he has no pulse nor wool, the ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done, from fearful trip, the victor ship, comes in with object won. Exult, O shores, and ring, O bells, but I, with mournful tread, walk the deck my Captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Walt Whitman.
O Captain, my Captain. Appreciation of the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem according to the following points. Title. The title of the poem is O Captain, my Captain. Poet. The poet of the poem is Walt Whitman. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB CDED. Figures of speech. The figures of the speech in the poem are hyperbole. The ship has weathered every rack. Repetition. Exalt, O shores, and ring, O bells. Tautology. Here Captain, dear father, apostrophe, but O heart, O heart, O heart. Eight. Theme or central idea. The poem is about the mixed emotions of the speaker, his captain's death on board. When they return victorious after a difficult voyage, the poem is symbolic of the mixed feelings of the Americans at the death of President Abraham Lincoln after his army emerged victorious in the Civil War.
content. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.